Hi there, welcome back to Django tutorial. This is 13th tutorial in this series. In this video, I will start working with template. Template is simply a HTML file which hold HTML code which can also output some dynamic content. For example, to render this HTML tag, we have to create a HTML document. To create the HTML document, I will go to my app and I will create a subfolder. I am going to name my folder as template. In the template folder, I will create one more subfolder which I name as quiz, which is identical to our main quiz name. Here I will create an HTML document. I will name that one as quiz HTML. So our HTML document has been created. Now I am going to write HTML tag in this file. In the Visual Studio, if you write HTML and select HTML5 option, it will provide you some already written HTML tag. In the head section, you can write your own title. Let's say quiz app. And also you can see the empty body section. In the body, I am going to write h1 tag like this is my quiz app and save. Now I am going to send this HTML document to the client. To achieve this, I will make changes in the quiz challenge view. I am going to send my HTML document with the help of the HTTP response. Django has provided one utility that helps us to render. I am going to import the render utility. For this, from Django template loader, import render. As the name suggests, this utility renders anything to string. Now I am going to call the render function here. Render to string. First argument will be HTML document name, which is quiz.html. But I can't access this HTML document directly. I have to provide the name of the subfolder here, like this. Let's save and have a look into the browser. Localhost 8000 quiz first. Quiz does not exist. It's mean something wrong happened over here. Let me comment this try catch and reload. As you can see, now we have our actual error. Template does not exist. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see Django is trying to access admin folder, which is not our folder, and it also looking for the auth folder. Again, it is not our folder. To resolve this, I am going to update my setting.py file. In the setting.py, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see installed app. As you can see, we have already some apps are installed. So I am going to write my app name in installed app, which is quiz. Now install app, tell the Django look for the quiz app. It can load the template. Let's save. One more thing, if you look at the app.py, you can find the same name as our app name. Now let's have a look into the browser. This is my first app. So our HTML document has been rendered successfully. Lastly, I can undo my comments and let's have a look with try and catch. It's working. Let's have a look for third. And as you can see, it's working as expected. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.